Hey, how's it going, guys? So it's your boy ZOTAC Gaming. Well, if you're new to the channel, guys, I would like you to kill, murder, and smash that little subscribe button, and also ring that bell notification, because whenever I drop a brand new video, it's you who's gonna get notified. Okay, so in this video, guys, in today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Okay, we're gonna unbox graphic cards, okay, hopefully an Nvidia graphic cards, which is an RTX 30 series. Alright, so here we go, guys. This package was dropped today by Amazon. As you can see, the prime delivery. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this and see what's inside. Alright, hopefully this is moment of truth. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's well packed. What is that? This is the computer RAMs, okay, DDR4 RAMs. Alright, if you can see that. That aside for this bit. And now his graphic card. Alright, so it's a ZOTAC RTX 3070. Alright, with a Twin Edge overclock edition. Alright, 8 gigabytes. Yeah, have a nice little feel to it. Alright, so we've got something like a guide. What is that? Extended warranty. You can see it. Let's go. And the graphic cards is right here. It is well packed, well sealed as well. Let me put that aside. And here what we've got some PCIe cables, as you can see. Alright, same, we've got 2 pins connectors, PCIe cables. Alright, so far so good. I'm just gonna move that aside quick. Alright, and now let's take a look. Here we go, guys. As you can see, feel that. Okay, so here this is ZOTAC Gaming. And here we go, we have those pin adapters, right? And yeah, the card is actually big. And here what do we have? We've got like display port, two display port, and oh yeah, we've got 1 HDMI port and 3 display ports. Okay, I will install this into the PC gaming rig. Alright, so disconnected. I'm gonna turn off this. I'm gonna remove the HDMI and oh shoot, now to install those two RAMs over there. Okay, as you can see, I do have 16 GB of RAM here. This is another 16 GB over there. Okay, so add this here, so it will become 32 gigabytes. But here, as you can see, how bulky this CPU cooler is. So I will have to dismantle this CPU cooler as well, and then I will be able to install the RAMs. Okay, this is the NVIDIA ZOTAC RTX 3070, and this is the MSI GTX 1650. Alright, so first there's a screw right here, so I'm gonna unscrew this, and you're gonna find a latch. Okay, let me zoom this properly for you. You're gonna see a latch down below right there. You're gonna see a latch, so you're gonna press on that latch. Okay, so you're gonna so gently pull the graphic cards. Okay, so this is the MSI GTX 1650. Alright, so let me keep that right here. So now we are take this bad boy, and man, will this fit? Yeah, it really should fit. It should, as you can see. So I'm gonna align this. Okay, this, you can see the connectors. I'm gonna align it with the this is a X16 or maybe X8, I don't know, I have to confirm that, in this lane. Okay, this. Alright, and the motherboard is a BM450 Asus Prime. You guys can see Asus right here. Alright, so well, let's do that. Alright, so as you can see, guys, I have gently pushed I have aligned it first, and then I've pushed down very gently. Okay, do it very gently because you don't want to bend the graphic cards slot. Now after you've done that, just make sure that it is still that you have to align it. So as you can see, first if it's loosened right here, as you can see, it is a bit flimsy and loosening up. Before you connect the PCI cables, the PCI connectors, you'll have to screw it first. Alright, let's do that again. Okay guys, so one thing that I would like to point out is I was recently struggling to plug this in, to connect it into the graphic card PCI slot. So you can see this cable, right? So you can see the latch. So you wanna press on this latch. When you are inputting it, you wanna press on it. As you can see, if we press on it and then we plug it in, it's gonna fit in really smoothly. Okay. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have already put that screw and everything is good to go. Alright. So now let's give it a test, shall we? Please don't blow up. Alright, that, and 1, 2, 3. Alright, there we go. Oh shit. Looks like I forgot to plug in the HDMI. The HDMI to give display. Alright guys, so after you've reboot your PC, what you need to do is to go to Google, just Google search NVIDIA GeForce. After that, you need to click on the first link. Alright, then you're gonna go to drivers, and you're gonna come to the manual driver search. You're gonna search for the product, which is GeForce RTX 30 series, and then you're gonna choose your model number, which is the product type. Mine is RTX 3070. I'm on Windows 11, and for the language I'm gonna leave that by default, English US. Then I'm gonna hit start search. Alright, so once the searches has complete, here you can see all the latest releases. Okay, the first one will be the available result, which is the driver version 5.16.94, release date Tuesday, August 9 August 2022. Alright, so it is a GeForce Game Ready Driver WHQL. Okay, WHQL, and you're gonna click get download. Okay, I've already downloaded that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my desktop. Okay, I'm gonna move that to my desktop right there, and then I'm gonna right click, run as admin, run. If prompted, click yes, click OK, and this is gonna begin to extract the files. Alright, checking for compatibility. So you're gonna select the first one, which is NVIDIA graphics driver and GeForce Experience. You're gonna hit agree and continue. Here you gonna do custom and advanced. You're gonna click next, and you're gonna click perform a clean install. Hit next. There you go. So all you gotta do is to wait now. Here, and as you can see from here, you will be able to sign in into your NVIDIA accounts. So you can log in via Google, via Discord, Facebook, Apple. Alright, after you sign in, you'll be able to see your driver version and so on. Alright, so this was how easy, alright, to install the graphics drivers. Alright, thanks for watching.